guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the second episode in my little summer entertaining series. Last week I shared with you 4 easy, healthy recipes, and today I'm sharing with you 4 easy, I don't know if they're so much healthy, but they are easy cocktail recipes that I tried to make a little bit healthier than normal and do some substitutions, but these taste really good. You guys know I love sour, like lemon, limey flavors, so all of these are kind of sweet, kind of sour, really refreshing, great for a little summer party or if you want to have a little quarantini. So if you want to see exactly how I made all 4 of these drinks, we have a lemon drop martini, a vodka soda, a skinny pina colada, and a skinny margarita. Go ahead and keep on watching, and I will have links to all the drinkware and everything down below as well. So the first recipe we're gonna make today is a good margarita. This is something that I love to make. I feel like I've kind of perfected it. You can interchange a bunch of different ingredients, but I like to make it kind of fresh at home without the mix, and it is surprisingly easy. I would always buy that mix too, and then once we started juicing our own limes and stuff, it's super easy. So all you do is take a lime with your squeezer. Just gonna start with 1. And then we'll do a little tequila. We usually get this Casamigos Blanco. I'll do like 1 or 2 shots of this. And then I like to add a little sparkling water, just whatever one we have on hand that we're like drinking. So right now we have Topo Chico, but I'll do like bubbly or LaCroix, whatever. So I'll just add a little bit of this. I like things fizzy. And then agave for sweetness. I first bought this agave to make homemade margaritas, and then Michael and I became like obsessed with it, and now we use it for our coffee every morning too. Just do a little squirt of that. And then this is a new thing for me. I don't normally add triple sec, but we're gonna try it today. See if it gives it a good flavor. Okay, so that is everything. Now I have my little makeshift shaker here. We're gonna shake it up. Ooh, it smells really good. Okay, we've got our little glasses. You could do a salt rim if you wanted to. Little lime for garnish, and cheers. Let's see if this is good. Ooh, that's perfect. Wow, I'm pretty impressed with myself. You gotta try it, Michael.
Okay.
This tastes like restaurant quality. I'm getting better and better at this.
Okay, it's Wednesday at 1:08.
That's like really good.
Oh my god.
That's like really good.
That tastes
We're
great.
gonna pour another. This next recipe was inspired by a drink that Michael and I got in Miami at the one hotel. It was a pina colada made with coconut water, and they're probably all made with coconut water, but I thought that was really cool and kind of like a healthy spin on a pina colada. So that's what we're gonna do today, kind of like a smoothie version of a pina colada. So I've got some ice in my blender. This is my Vitamix blender. I use it every single day. I'm gonna pour in about 2 cups. So I'm gonna try to make 2 here. Probably gonna need more ice. We'll see. It's like, I don't want it to be super liquidy. And then we're gonna do, since I'm doing 2, we'll do like 2 shots each. 3 shots each of the Malibu rum. This is the coconut liqueur. Okay, and then we'll do some frozen pineapple. And then I think the frozen banana is gonna give it a really creamy texture. And I'm gonna add some more ice, and then we'll blend it up. So that took literally 30 seconds to make, and hopefully it'll taste really good and remind you of being on vacation, where we all wish we could go on vacation this summer. It looks really pretty too. I bet you could do it without the alcohol and it'd be like a good little tropical smoothie too. So I made more than 2. Do a little lime garnish again. Let's try it. This is really good too.
Let me try this.
I need my taste tester.
Let me try.
Ooh, man, I want to go on vacation now. Makes you miss vacation.
That's dangerous. Because it doesn't taste like there's any alcohol in there.
Well, you know what? Because I thought it was only going to make 2, so it's probably supposed to add a little bit more. So let's add a little bit more. Okay.
It's not Wednesday, 1:19.
It's been 10 minutes. Can you taste it a little bit more?
That's good. Oh my god.
Yeah, these are our best drink recipes yet. Next up, we just have a soda water and lime with Tito's. This is a recipe that I just kind of threw together one night, and it's really easy, but it tastes really good. It's really refreshing, and we've shared it in vlogs and on Instagram stories, and you guys really like it too. It's kind of a lot of ingredients that you may already have at home. It's just some sparkling water. Specifically, we use the strawberry bubbly. Something about the strawberry with the juice of a lime, it's just like a really good combination. So strawberry bubbly, 1 lime, and then whatever vodka you like. We usually use Tito's. So you just mix it up. It's super easy and fast, and I guess you could say like low calorie.
Is it at no calories?
Well, there's probably calories in vodka. I don't know how much, but yeah. So I do usually like 1 can and then a half of a lime, and then like however many shots you want. It depends on the day. We'll usually do like 1 or 2 or 3.
4.
But it really like soda water really camouflages the taste of vodka. This is usually what I'll order like when we're out and about at a restaurant too. I'll just get plain sparkling water with lime, Tito's or Grey Goose, and it's really good. Normally I don't shake it like that. I'll just pour it right into the cup, but my water wasn't cold. So that is all you do. I guess we'll do a lime garnish on all of these, but this is definitely one of my favorites. It's not sweet like the other ones, but if you just want something that's a little more low calorie, a little easier to put together than all the other ones, this is definitely going to be a good one for you. This last drink we are going to make is a lemon drop martini. I've really been into martinis lately, like dirty martinis with tons of olives, but Michael doesn't like olives, so I'm not going to make that today. We're going to do lemon drop. You guys know I really love lemons, and I think this will be really pretty and refreshing because we've done all kind of like limey, lemony drinks. We'll just stick with that kind of theme. So what I'm going to do is I have my ice in my makeshift shaker again. I'm going to squeeze a lemon. We've kind of just been making these up as we go today, and they've all turned out really good. So we're going to do another. We'll do a full lemon. I like things really kind of sour. And then we're going to do 2 shots of vodka. We're going to do a little triple sec. And I think instead of simple syrup, I'm going to try agave and see if that's good. For me, agave is great for liquids because it's really thin and it mixes in with liquids really easy. So let's shake this up and let's see. Pour it in our martini glass. You could do a little sugar rim if you wanted to, but what I'm actually going to do, it's a really pretty idea, is like zest some lemon on top. Just for the effect, just for the photo. Okay. Cheers. Ooh. These are all good. These all came out great. And he's back.
Okay, I don't
It's
like
like a
martinis.
lemon vodka margarita. I know you don't like martinis, but this tastes nothing like a martini.
Oh, that tastes great.
Okay, what's your favorite?
I kind of like that the best.
Okay. We'll make a couple
Do you?
more. Let's make a couple more. So here are all 4 drinks. I will have the links down below to my website so you guys can get like an exact recipe if you're curious. But lemon drop, vodka soda, skinny pina, skinny margarita. I hope you guys try it out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new. I make new videos every week, and next week we will have another episode in my series. I think I'm gonna either do the dessert one or the outdoor decor one next. So let me know down below in the comments what you want to see next. Make sure to subscribe and turn your notifications on so you don't miss out when I upload. Follow me on Instagram if you want more healthy recipes I share on there daily, and I will see you guys over there. Bye.